CBS News correspondent Natalie Brand is joining us right now live outside the White House. And Natalie, what do we know about why President Trump wants to be at those arguments?
Yeah, Mugo, he first mentioned that he would be attending in his comments to reporters yesterday afternoon or evening. And recall that he had floated the idea of attending the arguments in the tariffs case, but ultimately he did not. We know that that case did not go in his favor. I think attending the case signals the importance of this case to the president himself and his administration. He's argued that birthright citizenship, as it's been interpreted, is, quote, one of the many great scams of our time. And as Katrina so articulately laid out, he argues, the administration argues, that the 14th Amendment had to do with babies of formerly enslaved individuals, accusing people in modern times of exploiting it, including, quote, what he's called Chinese billionaires. Of course, challengers, critics point to past precedent and federal law, saying that this order that he signed on day one of his second administration is illegal. So really, this case now before the U.S. Supreme Court tests one of the cornerstones of, as we know, one of his key pieces of his agenda, which is, his crackdown on immigration, and the implications, again, as Katrina laid out, could be sweeping.
Yeah, and I want to also talk about something else that the president is doing later today. He's addressing the nation tonight about this ongoing war with Iran. What can we expect there?
Yeah, well, the White House announced this primetime address shortly after the president told reporters that the U.S. would be leaving Iran soon, predicting it could be another 2 to 3 weeks. So we'll have to wait and listen and see if he lays out kind of an exit strategy here or next steps on the ground, which critics, particularly those on Capitol Hill, have accused the administration of not doing to this point. What is the plan moving forward? What is the update with these negotiations as we approach that deadline that he had previously set for this coming Monday, April 6th. In a new interview with Reuters this morning, he also said that U.S. military forces will leave Iran soon and could potentially return for hotspots if needed. He also, in that interview, said that he's going to be critical of NATO, which is something that CBS News has confirmed. He's expected to address NATO in this speech. We've heard him in recent weeks really take aim at the military alliance for not doing more, for European countries not doing more to secure the Strait of Hormuz. So we are expecting to hear more about that. And he even told Reuters that he's considering withdrawing from that key alliance. Obviously, this is an alliance that has been a cornerstone of the international order since the end of World War II, Mugo.
Okay, Natalie Brand at the White House for us today. Thank you so much.